Daddy, look. Oh, देखी तुम क्या?
Va bene.
ओके देखी?
Welcome aboard the Emirates aircraft. Safety and comfort.
Mommy, what can
By
you
more than
see?
3 billion people globally. And huge efforts have gone into making sure the games
Yeah.
become a powerful
Everything,
legacy
look.
for future
Daddy,
generations.
what can you see?
We can see water. We can see
The
everything.
London Olympics 2012
See
was one of the best experiences of my life. In fact, to go back and
We
do it
can see
again, I would do it every time.
everything. But I'm not gonna make the internet
Just
just after.
electrified.
Yeah. Ini cuma kat mana
And the
itu.
noise got louder and louder. Just all the hairs on my body just lifted up.
Daddy, don't know
That's
Yeah.
Mommy.
the support the British athletes got, the support every athlete got was just immense.
Daddy,
Everyone and
this
everyone
is
involved
fun.
loved it.
Oh, that one's
so fun.
That one is going
Biggest day of their
forward.
lives.
Yeah.
Louder, just all the hairs on my body just lifted up.
Daddy, don't know
The next generation of athletes going through.
The Olympic Park is a catalyst for the regeneration of large
Oh, Mama,
parts of
give
the
them back
southern
what we
Emirates
have,
to use from the Olympic
Give them back what we
opportunities to take part in skills and training
Okay.
programs. It's a fantastic green space and a great
Maybe
place
my-
to just come and explore.
Daddy, this is fun, isn't it?
Beneath our flight path is the distinctive red lightship at Trinity Buoy Wharf, where the Thames is joined by the Lee Valley River. Michael Faraday, one of the world's most important scientists, had a workshop at the wharf, and it's still home to creative thinkers and artists.
Yeah. Look this way. Look that.
That's in the water.
Yeah.
That's gonna look like a boat. These look like everything
So
gonna
it's
look
never
like a
about just
boat.
doing the biggest jump that anyone can. It's more about challenging yourself. And we've got this incredible facility to train at, and it's such a positive thing to have. I'm really looking forward
I
to
see
seeing what the
the,
space
I
can do
can
for the
see the
community.
ski lift.
You
They
come
have
from the
the
East Indian
ski
Ocean
lift.
to here, there's all kinds
Yeah,
of
we're
different
coming over
installations.
there. Daddy, show us. Show us.
Yeah, there's all sorts of weird and wonderful people doing interesting things down here.
I make a vision as a temporary measure, and then someone was asking about a commission for a
Look,
circus.
ready on the
I
plate.
thought I'd knock it together just to show them what they could have.
I can see boats.
We've spent the last year really taking rubbish airplanes and trying to make sustainable products. We made this rickshaw, which is obviously made from the fuselage. We're also making a
Where are we
radio
going?
using the main thrust control,
Where are
which
we
is very exciting.
going?
Other side of
Showing
the
you what
river.
feels like the last
yeah.
corner of old London.
I need my
In a way, it feels like a little bit of industry coming back to what is historically
Mama
industrial.
dito ko.
Okay.
Rose into the sky. It now contains many of the tallest buildings in the UK, and more than 100,000
Why are
people
you
work
going
in
backwards
this
to the weather? Whoa. What's
The
that
original idea of
going
Canary Wharf came about by accident. The
down?
government had said,
Down,
well, actually not build a site for a
down.
factory. But he knew
That's
that banking
that's
was changing.
that's
He was going to need
stealing
massive
over
trading
there.
funds for his
We're
bank.
going to
And
get.
that's where the idea came from.
Mommy, Mama dito ko.
Canary Wharf allows London to have a modern face because
It's
so
getting-
much of London that we
Yeah,
love
we
is
have
preserved.
these
and
cobalt
like
guys
it's
in the cloud.
Canary Wharf is the fastest growing and largest new business district in Europe. When it is
Yeah.
completely built out, there'll be about 25 million square feet of space. And in terms of the working population, there'll be about 200,000 people.
We
Just
want
now when
to
it's fully
steal it.
operational, will bring a whole new working population to Canary
We are
Wharf.
going to.
Lots and lots of exciting developments happening on the east side of London, and all linked by the Docklands Light Railway, by the Jubilee Line, by Crossrail, by all the other transport infrastructure that links into those. The Docklands Light Railway, listed as one of the 10
Can
great
see
railway journeys
everything,
of the
Daddy.
world. It is
See?
one of the
Can see
great
everything.
Can you?
regeneration projects of
powerful tugboats to guide them. Despite the demise of the old docks, the tugs and their skippers are still the
Why
workhorses
go
of the
more
river.
backward? Daddy, why we go more backward?
We're going on the
Probably
side.
oldest time skipper on the River Thames at the moment, but we still got
down.
Down
in
the
fact,
road.
you could walk
I'm
one
a
end of the dock
different boat.
to the other end of the dock
Daddy,
on
can I
barges.
come over there?
You could tell where we were on the smells on the River Thames end day.
Oh.
You knew it was a soap
Can't-
factory, you knew
now we can see the
then
house
come the Purfleet
anymore.
Reach and you could smell all the
It's too
oils.
far.
And then as you come round Thames Walk up around there, you
Yeah.
smell the sewage. Right up until when you got
How
to the
does
pepper
it
house
far
or whatever,
now?
you use it as spice
How
mills.
does
But not
it
now,
have
different today.
before?
All them days are gone. That's when men were made of iron and boats were made of wood.
Everything we can see, Daddy.
Catamarans. Thames clippers carry thousands of passengers every day.
Every day?
The boats go 30 knots, so approximately 40
I'm
miles.
not every
So
day
probably
from
one of the fastest modes of
Tugboat.
transport in London.
Every day.
Of East London.
That's
You very
not
much see the Thames and the
speedboat.
Tube line in the
Speedboat.
Here?
Speedboat.
The Greenwich Peninsula is home to the O2,
Yeah.
the world's
Good
most
job.
popular and major redevelopment, creating a vibrant new
Was it?
district covering almost
Spy
200
boat.
acres.
It's so funny.
It's one of the largest regeneration projects in Europe.
Look, that one's moving.
One of the great things about the
That-
peninsula
that's
is
the
the international
movie.
site. You have a mile and a half
That's-
of Hong Kong-owned
Daddy?
development.
Gee, Mummy.
Biggest regeneration schemes.
So many
not in Europe. You will probably realistically be looking at least 20,000 people living here permanently, 20,000 people working here.
Mummy.
We're going super down. Can I go there?
Cutting through the peninsula,
go?
the Greenwich Meridian Line represents 0 degrees of longitude. It divides the eastern and western hemispheres of the Earth and serves as the reference point for the world's clocks. It's also the inspiration for a new world-class sculpture trail, the Line, stretching more than 3 miles from the O2 to the Olympic Park.
The Line is a project that will be bringing contemporary art into the Greenwich Peninsula and the Royal Docks. There are 2 works that have been on the Greenwich Peninsula that were commissioned for the millennium. There's Richard Wilson's A Slice of Reality, which is a cross-section through a ship. And then there's
Maybe.
Anthony Gormley's Quantum
What
Cloud.
piece of
It's made of
cowboy
thousands
am
of steel
Hmm?
rods, and you can see this elusive figure hidden within this cloud. And if people are wanting to continue the walk, they'll be worked along the River Lee and the canal, which is another extraordinary walk, an undiscovered
One more ride for me.
Okay.
Thank you for flying the Emirates airline. Exit here for the Emirates aviation experience, the Thames Clipper, the O2 and
We're
transport
going
links.
down.
Exit to the left.
We're going down, 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 down.
Getting super fast.
Yeah, Mama.
It's coming.
Come this side, Mummy.
Oh, standing up. Why?
I'll give her.
The door's opening.